Interior, very comfortable, quite big as well. I don't remember the RS3 being this size inside, but I think this is the first time I've really got in the Sportback S3, A3, RS3 of this generation. Coming even to the doors, they've got Alcantara on them. Such a beautiful fit and finish in these RS3s. Very, very nice car. Massive thank you to RPM Performance for letting me take this car out today and experience what these are like. Although this is a standard one, the 5-cylinder engine is an absolute monster. It makes all the right bangs and noises, and it is incredibly powerful low down. Really is a stunning looking car, and it matches the camo hoodies as well quite well, but it is incredibly windy. Let's get back in the car.
I think the bit that I'm struggling with is that I like my modified cars. I like a bit more pop and bang, more induction noise, turbo noise.
So I'm just sat at my desk trying to get stuff done, trying to...
Let's find some videos from back in summer where he's got his fucking t-shirt on. Here you go. See if you can spot the wings.
Take me to the parking garage.
He's in America now. He's in America. He's in America with his mate, with his bird boy mate Josh. Joshua.
We're here, doing work and stuff.
Oh, look at them wings on his neck.
And I'm here.
Check out the wings. Have you got your wings, Jamie? Have you got your wings with your diamond and your fucking cross thing on your fucking cap? Yeah. You got them wings, blood. You got them wings. Look at them wings, people. Look at them wings. Look at them wings. Look at them fucking wings, kids. Look at them wings. Man be flying, you know. In his Corvette thing. In a bit.
The bird must die.